In this video, I'll show you how to use GitHub Codespaces. GitHub Codespaces lets you open a development environment directly in your browser, without setting up the project manually on your computer. It is useful when you want to edit code, run commands, test a project, or collaborate from almost any device. First, open GitHub and sign in to your account. Then go to the repository you want to work on. This can be your own repository, a project from an organization, or another repository where Codespaces is enabled. Once you are on the repository page, click the green Code button. In the menu that appears, select the Codespaces tab. Then click Create Codespace on Main, or choose another branch if you want to work from a specific branch. GitHub will now start creating your Codespace. After a short setup process, the project will open in a browser-based version of Visual Studio Code. On the left side, you can browse files and folders. In the center, you can edit code. At the bottom, you can open the terminal and run commands. Next, follow the project instructions. Usually, these are found in the README file. For example, you may need to install dependencies, start a development server, or run tests. Many codespaces automatically install what the project needs, but some projects may still require setup commands. As you make changes, GitHub Codespaces works like a normal coding environment. You can edit files, create new files, use extensions, and run terminal commands. When you are ready to save your work to GitHub, open the source control panel, review your changes, write a commit message, and commit the changes. After committing, you can push the changes to the repository or create a pull request if you are working on a separate branch. When you are finished, close the Codespace or stop it from the Codespaces page to avoid using extra Codespaces minutes. GitHub Codespaces is a simple way to code in the cloud, especially when you want a ready-to-use workspace without installing everything locally. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.